Hey guys, did you just pick up a new Onewheel for Christmas? I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about riding your Onewheel. Step on. Come on. And ride, pull the pole. We're gonna go through what you need to learn to start riding your Onewheel, from tricks to rod switch and stuff like that. Let's get it. Alright guys, so you just got your Onewheel. The first thing you're gonna need to do is learn how to turn it on. Button is right here on the little side. It's not gonna have this cover over it. That's just something extra. Press that button, put it down. If you do it picked up, it'll turn yellow.
Yeah, do it real quick.
Okay. So you want your board to be on the ground, because if you pick it up and turn it on, it's gonna turn yellow, and then you can't ride it. You're just gonna, it won't let you turn it on. So to fix that, you're gonna turn it off, turn it back on. Oh. And don't touch the sensor. And now it's white. So you see the light up here. This is the front. So you don't want to get on your board like this, because then your sensor's activated and it might take off from under you. You never know. You want to get on backside, then put your foot up there, lean forward, and then lean forward, lean backwards, and then if you want to get off, you could either pick your foot up, which this one doesn't have, so pick your foot up and it'll let you down, or you get your balance, stay steady, and hop off backwards.
I recommend the hop off. So
yeah, hop off is an easier way to get off, because you could just like be fumbling right here and just trying to lift your heel all the way up, and then sometimes it don't work. So I recommend the hop off. So I mean, simple as that. One of the first things you can learn how to do to make it look like you know what you're doing is the hop on. I mean, it looks pretty cool. It's pretty easy to do. You wanna, when you run up, you want your front foot to get the board level, and then you want your back foot to land on it. So, back up, run, front foot. Front foot gets it down, and then your back foot like keeps it level, and then you can go. So if you've ever seen a skateboard rider, you know how they step on the back of their board, pop it up, and then they catch it? You could do that on a Onewheel. They got this small little lip in the back. You step on it and pick it up. So that way you don't have to, you know, it's like, it's easier. Now you need to learn balance. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get on your board, probably hold on to something, and then you just stay here until you get your balance, and then you can ride pole to pole to learn backwards and forwards. It's like, you go all the way. I mean, you could do this like against the house too, like against your house, and just, you know. But it's easy steps. Just go around, go backwards and forwards, and you'll learn and switch riding. Learn how to ride backwards, learn how to ride forwards, and you can do all that. So you may be wondering, what is switch? It's when I ride like this, and I go, and I put my other foot up front, and I'm riding backwards pretty much. All right, why is switch even a topic of matter? It's every trick that you do will put you backwards, and you have to ride out backwards, because you can't just like do a trick and then ride it like that. That's not finishing it out. So you have to switch it, and then you ride backwards. I mean, this is the same way. Do one of those and you're riding it switch now. So it's a very good thing to learn both of them. So we've talked how to get on your board, what switch is, how to do switch, how to learn how to ride. Now we're gonna talk tricks. This is called a drop. Ooh, yeah. All right, so what you wanna do to learn how to drop is you wanna lean down and then get up, and that's like called de-weighting. You want to de-weight all of your, like, you don't want to have any weight on the board, and then you want to land with like some spring in you, you know, so you don't hurt yourself. So that's why I land so low. So the first trick I'm going to teach you is, easiest one I'd say, is the good old 180. Do that, and you just go back and forth. Learn how to 180. You know, that's the easiest one I'd say. You wanna get low, wind up, let it go. See what I mean? That. So watch. And throw yourself backwards. This is called a Bodyrial. When you go from where you are, you jump and turn around. Alright, I wanna do that again. That's called a Bodyrial. So what you're gonna do to learn this one is you're gonna stand in front of your board, all right? And you're just gonna jump and see how my feet landed where they need to be anyway. So that's the easiest way to learn it. So you're not on your board and you can learn balance. So try and stay exactly where you are in front of your board, have your feet lined up, jump, spin, and my feet line up where the spots. So, then you hop on, and you. So you've learned how to ride on flat surfaces, but what if you come up to a little ledge like this, and like you can't just ride into that, you're gonna nosedive and fall over. So what you wanna do is, riding up to it and you see it, you're like, all right, so you get low and then you let yourself come up, and then that way all your weight gets off the board and your board comes up, and then you land back on your board. So it's almost like jumping off your board, jumping up your board, but don't leave your board. So you're riding off road and you see a route. I mean, you can take the easy way out and just go around it. Or you can come up here and you can take it head on and bonk it. That's the fun way to do it. It's pretty much the same thing over there. Go up to it, hop up, but don't leave your board, and then you'll bonk it. Guys, I'm so glad you just got your board and you've joined the Onewheel community. Stay tuned for our next video, where we're gonna show you the best mods to put on your board straight out of the box so you don't mess up your board at all. And like, subscribe, comment, we read them all. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.